Next up, we have Jan Teffel and Sonia with a Q&A segment. Woo!
Toki, yan ang likinalakan ko te. Pona. San Sonia kin. Sa yan likin ko te onakin. Pona.
Can people in the chat confirm that my volume is okay? And good then? Okay, good. Yes, thank
Yan
you, Shana.
toki ni ike likinalakamata yan son. Pona. Nili toki tawa yan Sonia. Sinale li sona ni yan Sonia li yan sena mi wili ala toki ni. Mi open taso e toki. Mi toki tawa kulupu ni. Sinwele toki e wile sona seme tawa yan Sonia. Ni lipu e ona mute. Li toke ona ron tempani. Mi open la mi toki la tempo pini pi toki pona. Tempo pini suli la toki pone. Toki pona li kama. Tempo ni la ona li ante mute. Kulupu kin li kama li ante mute. Jan Sonia, kilin sile la ante ni li seme. Toki in kulupu li ante seme lon tempo suli.
Ili wile sona pona. Tempo pini, en tempo ni, la jan li pilin wawa, li wile kepeken toki pona, li wile pali e io mute, li wile musi mute. Tempo pini, en tempo ni, la ni tu li sama. Seme li ante, piso li napawan. Ilo jan li kama ante. Tempo suno ni, la kulupu, li pala napawan, li kepeken ilo siko. Tempo siken mute kama, la ken, la mi ali, li kepeken ilo ante. Tempo kama, la kulupu tempo sin, pi jan sin mute li kama, li pana e pali mute lon kulupu. La sin toki ona, li pana e wawa sin tawa toki pona. Toki pona, li sama kasi lon.
Sama kasi ni pona. Mi toki wile sona ante ni. Jan li pilin ni toki pona li ken toki pi ma ale. Sama ni jan pi ma ale li kama sona e ona li ken toki tawa. Jan pi ma ale. Sina pilin seme tawa.
Li pilin sama mute. Pu la mi sitlane ni, te, jan mute li kama tan kulupu ante mute, li wile toki, la ona li wile lukin wawa e seme. Seme li lon io ale, lon pilin jan, lon sona jan, to. Jan miksali, li jan sona pi toki sin, ona li alasa e pakala lon toki sin, li pana e pilin ona. Toki pona la, ona li toki e ni, te. Ale pi toki pona li lili. Mute kalama li lili, li pona. Mute nimi li lili, li pona. Nasa, la jan li ken kama sona e toki pona kepe ken pali lili. Jan li pali e toki sin ante, li wile eni. Jan pi maale li ken kama sona e ona. Toki sin ante, la ni li pali suli. Toki pona, la ni li pali lili. Nampa wan, la toki pona li wile ala eni. Ona li toki pi maale. Taso, ona li kama suli, li pini pona, li epiku. Tani, la mi looking sin e toki pona sama ni. Toki pona, li toki musi ala, li toki pi maali. To. Tempo suna mute pini, la kulupu toki suli pi ilo toki suli lon makanata, la jan li toki ani. Toki pona, li toki pi io ali. Mi pilin ani. Mi wile ala pali e toki pi suli ike. Mi wile ala pali e toki pi lawa suli ike. Mi wile ala toki ani. Toki pona o toki pi pona namba wan lon ma ale. Io sama di lon kulupu pi toki epelanto. Nasin pilin lama li pona tawa mi. Nasin pilin pi kama wawa namba wan li ike tawa mi. Pilin ni La kulupu pi toki pona li seme. Jan li wile lon kulupu toki, la ona li lon kulupu toki. Jan pi toki pona li anu e ona sama. Ni li pona. Jan pi toki pona li lon mamute, li suli e toki pona, e nasin pi toki pona. Toki pona li sama kasi. Toki pona li nasa pona. Mi mute li wile ala wawa e pilin ni. Toki pona li lawa nampa wan lon maale. Pini la mio pana e pilin nampa pini. Pin la yani kepeken toki pona sama toki pi maali. La ona li toki ni. O lukin e lon.
Lukin e lon li suli. Wile sona ante lini. Jan li kama sona e nimi ale la on li wile wawa e ken ona pi toki pona. La nasin seme li pona. Nasin seme li pona. Tawa kama sona li.
Number one, la sina o kepeken toki pona lon tempo mute lon kulupu siko tuni. Ona li yo e tomo toki ni pi toki pona taso. Jan mute li lon ona. O lukin e nini pi kulupu ni lon lipu lingui nampa toki pona, sikerili, holoko. Number two, la sina o pana tawa sina e pali lili pi ante toki. Ni kama sona e toki sin, la mi o sitelen e toki musi lili kepeken kulupu nimi pi mute lili. Number san, la sina o toki e ni tawa jan ante. Te, mi jan sin, kena ni pali e pakala lili, o pona e ni. To. Number tutu, la sina o lon toki uta lon ma pona ki toki pona. Sina ken kute taso, sina kepeken kute lon tempo mute, la sona kute sina li kama wawa. Number luka, la sina o lukin e lipu pi toki pona. Lipu seme li pona. O kute pilin pi jan mute. O lukin ante e toki pi kulupu nimi tawa toki inli anu toki sina. O pali e ni lon lawa taso. Anu, o sitelen e ante toki sina. Nampa sansan. Nampa sansan na sina o pali e ni lon tempo sunu ale. Sina ken wan taso. Sina yo e toki insa, la sina pali e io mute. La sina o toki e ona kepeken toki pona. Nampa liku yo, la sina o kama sona e jan ni. Ona li sona wawa e toki pona, li kama sona wawa e toki pona. Sina o jan pona tawa jan i toki pona. O pali lon poka ona.
Pona. Nasin liku yo li pona. Wile tempo ni la mi toki wile sona pi tempo kama pi toki pona. Sina wile al wile pali e pu nampa tu lon tempo kama.
Lipu pu li sene. Li pali e sene. Ona li sama noka tomo pi jan ali. Ona li sama noka tomo pi jan ali. Mi wile ala ante e ona. Mi wile toki e io sin e io pona ante tawa kulupu. La mi ken pali e lipu sin. Puli sama ni. Ona li toki lili e io pu.
Lon lipo sana lon lipo ku. Li pona. Wile sona kin. Mi wile suli e kulupu pi toki pona. La pali seme li pona. Pali e lipo sin ante toki e io. Mi pali e lipu pi kama sona kepeken toki in le ala.
Pi toki pona. Li musi tawa jan lon la kulupun li kama suri. Sama kasi. Io seme li suli namba 1, pilin ni la mi mute o pona mute tawa jan sin. I toki sin. Pilin mi la mi mute o pona mute tawa jan sin. Sina sona wawa e toki pona, la sina o pana e tempo sina, lon kulupu namba pana sona. O pana e pona tawa jan lon ilo wetsi, lon ilo pepu. Ken la ken la sina o kama e ona lon masiko. Pona mute li lon ilo siko. Ken la jan sin, pi sona li kepeken toki pona, li pilin pona, ken la ona li wile ala e ni, sina pona e pakala li ona. O utala ala e nasin toki pi jan sin. Taso, ken la jan sin pi sona li wile e ni, sina pona e toki pona. Tempo ni la ali li pona, o pana e pona, taso o jan pona, o jan pona. Pona pi nasin toki li
O
suli
pona
kin,
a. Tempo ni la,
pona pi jan
kulupu
pona.
pi toki pona pi ma. Sina wile alon toki?
Mi pini ala.
O alon toki.
Pona pi nasin toki li suli kin, taso pona pi jan pona li suli napa wan. Ken la jan sin li sona ala e nasin kulupu, ken la ona li pali e io ike pi sona ala. O utala ala, o sui, o pana e pona, e nasin pona.
Sina fini non te vediamo. Kulupu pi toki pona pi ma anku li pana e wile sona mute tawa ni. Mi wile eni jan epen pi kulupu ni li toki wile sona ni. Jan epen o sina lon?
Milon.
Toki e wile sona pi kulupu pi toki pona pi ma anku.
Mi ken toki e wile sona pi toki kulupu pi toki pona pi ma anku anu seme. Jan sonia o toki.
Toki.
Mi wile toki tawa sina lon tempo wan. Mi jan meso pi toki pona. Sina ken toki kepeken tempo mute tawa mi anu seme. Mi ken
Pona?
sina.
Sina yo ala yo e wile sona?
Okay, I'm gonna using English. Okay, in this time. Okay, I'm intermediate. So can you speak slowly to me? I can understand if
Okay,
you can talk fast.
no problem.
Okay. Mi wile toki e wile sona number 1. Sina pilin ala pilin ni sina wile pana e nasin toki namako anu nimi nawako tawa toki pona.
Ni la kulupu pi toki pona, li yo e nasin pona. Tempo, la nimi sin, anu nasin sin, li kama. Tempo la jan ante, li kama kepeken ona. Tempo la jan ante, li kepeken ala. Tempo la nimi sin li awen. Tempo la ona li awen ala. Toki anku, anu toki inli, pa nasin sama li lon, li sama kasi. Ku, la mi alasa e sona ni. Jai mute li kepeken nimi seme. Tempo ni taso, la mi toki e suli nimi, jan mute li kepeken ona. Ni wile ala e ni, jan lawa li lon, li pali, li ken lawa e nimi sin to. Toki pona li toki lon. Lawa li ken ala ante pona e toki. Ante lili li kama, don tempo suli, la ante lon o sama kasi. Kin la mi pilin e ni, jan ali li ken kepeken e nini, li ken kepeken ala e nini. ali li pona. Kulupu pi pali lipu li lon, lipu tempo, en lipu kule, en lipu tatowepa, la kulupu mute ni li ken yo ala e nasi insa pi nasin toki. Sana li pona tawa kulupu ni, la kulupu ni li yo e pilin e wile.
Toki sina li pini anu seme?
Li pini. And we'll do it after in English, complete after we do all the questions in toki pona, so we can have a second chance.
Mi sona? Wile sona nampa 2. Sina pini na pini ni, sina wile kama e ni, toki pona pi ma pona pi toki pona, li toki pona lawa.
Mi pilin ala e ni, nasin toki pi kulupu wan taso li lawa. Jan mute li kepeken toki pona lon kulupu mute, lon nasin mute. Lawa la wan taso li lon ala. Taso ku la ma pona pi toki pona li sewi lili. Mi sitelen e ni, to, te. Pali ku, la mi wile kute e nasin pi ma pona pi toki pona, tan ni. Tempo ni, la kulupu ni, li yo e wawa toki nampa wan. To. Sina ken toki e ni, mi alasa e wawa toki. Lon, la tempo ni, la ma pona pi toki pona, li pona mute, li masuli. Ili ni la nasin toki lawa li lon ala. Taso, lipu lawa li ken lon, mi mama pi toki pona, mi pali e lipu, mi pu, mi ku. Mi wile pali e lipu pona, lipu mi li yo e nimi ante, ona li lipu lawa. Nama ko la yan, la yan pi mute dili, li wile toki e ni. Pe nasin toki lawa li lon, nimi lawa li lon to. Nasin pili ni li pona ala pona, ken la pili ni li pona tawa yan, taso yan mute li ken pilin ante. Pilin ni, la ni li nasin pona. Mi mute o toki e io pi toki pona, sama toki ante. Yan li ken kama sona e nasin pi toki pona, toki li sama kasi. Mi pili.
Okay, mi sona. Mi wile toki tawa. Sina wile sona nampa 1. Sina pili na la pili ni, nasin toki lawa pi toki pona li lon.
Pili ni la lipu pu, li lon poka ni. Taso lipu ni, la tempo napa wan, la sina kama sona io, sama no katomo. Ni li pini, la lipu li toki e ni, sina o musi.
Toki sina li pini anu seme?
Pini.
Wile sona pin nampa 2 ona li linja. Kuli kama, tan ni la jan open pi toki pona li ken kama sona e toki pona kepeken tempo lili. Taso, ona li wile kepeken nimi lon ku, li wile pilin ala. Tan ni la mi pilin e ni, nimi pi toki pona li kama yo e lawa. Mi wile sona e ni, sina pilin e seme lonan pi toki pona.
Your mic is cut out for some reason.
Mi ken toki anu seme.
Niente, però sina...
Mi wile kute pilin sina tan ni, sina mama pi toki pona.
Nili ike lon toki ale. Mi o toki e io ken. Mi ken yan sin pi sona nasa. La mi ken kama yo e lipu nimi pi toki anku. Mi ken ante e kulupu nimi. Kan toki inli, tawa toki anku. Mi ken sona ala. Mi ken pakala e nasin toki anku. Lon la nili ike mute. Nili nasin ala pi ante toki. Kin la lipu ku li toki e ikeni. Mi sitelen ni te. Lipu nimi ni li pana ala e sona pi nasin toki. Ona li pana e nimi ken, li pana ala e nasin ni. Jan li ken insa e nimi lon kulupu nimi lon nasin seme. Nimi seme li kama lon tempo napa wan, lon tempo napa tu. Toki pona la, toki inli la, nili ante mute. Sina wile sona e nasin toki pi toki pona, la sina ken pu. To, mi pini.
Okay. Mm,
Sina pona jan Sonia o nili pini wile sona. Now we can do that all in English again in case you missed anything. Shall we begin? Yes, the first question about the past of the past of Tokipona. How has the community of the language changed over the years from your perspective?
I would say that the enthusiasm and creativity and energy have always been there since the beginning. The biggest difference that I've noticed is the technology that we use. Today, the most active communities are on Discord, but in 20 years from now, maybe we'll all be on a different platform, along with a whole new generation of young speakers whose contributions and communication style will make a whole new impact on the living language.
And yeah, who knows what ELO will be using the next 20 years. Some people think that Tokipona is very good at being an IAL. What do you think?
I didn't catch the second part of the question. Can you repeat?
Oh, it was some people think that Tokipona is very good at being an IAL, international language. What do you think?
I mostly agree. Like I wrote in Pooh on page 10, when people from different cultures need to communicate, they must focus on the elements that are most universal to our human experience. If we turn to Jan Misali, who says in his Conline Critic review of Tokipona, everything about it was designed around the concept of minimalism. From its 14 phonemes to its 120-ish words, this makes it unreasonably easy to learn. Learnability is something that conlines designed to be used internationally tend to struggle with. The thing is, Tokipona isn't even primarily designed as an international language, but it absolutely nails this. For that reason, I'll be reviewing Tokipona as an interline, not as an artline. That's the Jan Misali quote that's relevant to this. In a segment aired a few days ago on Canadian radio, they called Tokipona, quote unquote, universal language. Personally, I never liked making grandiose or imperial claims about Tokipona's role as an international auxiliary language. So in that regard, if I can use an analogy from the Esperanto world, my views are similar to the Raumismo philosophy, not the Pinavenko final victory philosophy. Basically, I view us as a self-chosen language community or diaspora, and I see us as focused on the cultivation of our unique language and culture. But I don't see us as pushing to have Tokipona as the predominant language throughout the world. And as a final point on this question, if Tokipona is indeed used for easy international communication, then it is self-evident.
Yes. Next question is, after learning the vocabulary, what do you think are the best ways to become fluent in Tokipona?
Number one, la practice in the 2 Discord communities that have active Tokipona Taso channels. I've listed them on tokipona.org. Number 2, give yourself little translation challenges. For example, when I'm learning a new language, I try to write a short story or a poem in like 5 sentences. Number san, ask people to correct you if you make common beginner mistakes. Number tutu, participate in voice calls in Mapona Pitokipona, where we are right now, even if it's just as a silent listener, so you can practice your listening skills. Number luka, read texts in Tokipona that most people consider to be well written, and try to translate the sentences in your head or in writing. Number sansanla, throughout the day, even if you are alone, while you're thinking about things or doing things, try to express those in Tokipona. And finally, number likuyola, form relationships with people who are fluent or people who are working on becoming fluent. Become friends, collaborate on little projects, and so on.
The next question is, do you plan to make a second edition of Pooh?
Tokipona, the language of good, or Pooh, serves as a common foundation, so I have no plans to change it. If I have more things to say or better things to share, then I will simply make more books, as I did with Pooh, which does include notes on Pooh.
The next question is, what do you think are next steps for growing the Tokipona community, like creating content, translating content, creating tutorials in languages other than English?
My focus is this. When the Tokipona community is a fun place to be active in, it grows naturally. I think the way we treat beginners is the most important thing. I'll repeat it again. I think the way we treat beginners is the most important thing. If you're an advanced speaker, you can volunteer your time in channels like Panasona. Also, we have to reach out to people on Reddit or Facebook. Maybe we can invite them to Discord, where there's more active help available here. Another point, if a beginner is vibing with the language and not actually asking for corrections, we should not start aggressively analyzing their grammar or error. If, however, a beginner is actually asking for corrections and improvements, then of course, we're here to help. But we should remember to be someone's friend first and foremost. If a beginner doesn't know about a community rule that our server has, and they break this rule, then we have to be gentle and help them in the right direction, because there's like a culture, right? So that's my focus, the beginner experience.
Pona. Now we come to the questions from Kulpo Bitokipona Bima Anku, the Korean Tokipona community. Yanepin, if you would.
Okay, I think this time I can ask question to Sonia. Okay, Sonia, hello.
Hello.
Nancy. Okay, I'm gonna ask the question of KTPA, and I think many people ask about changing or Tokipona. Okay, first question: are you thinking of adding more grammar or vocabulary?
The community has a natural process to do this. Sometimes new words or new grammar do appear. Sometimes they're used by other people. Sometimes they're not. Sometimes the new words stay. Sometimes they don't stay. So I feel like a similar natural phenomenon happens in other languages, like Korean or English. In Ku, my method was to document words that were used by more than one person, and I only emphasize certain new words as quote unquote an essential part of Tokipona if they were used by around half or more of the community. I don't personally believe in artificial or top-down ways to impose new words. Tokipona is not a theoretical language that needs theoretical changes. When gradual change happens, it should be natural and real. Also, I believe that everyone is free to use or not use any word that they want. And when it comes to publications and projects such as Lipu Tempo, Lipu Kule, Tatoeba, these groups may or may not have their own internal process or style guide based on whatever their own vision or their own values are. Maybe.
Okay. Next question. Are you thinking of recognizing Mapona dialect as the official Tokipona?
I don't personally believe in using the word dialect or official dialect about Tokipona. I feel that Tokipona has many active communities and styles, and Tokipona is not limited to any one. That being said, Mapona Pitokipona has a certain honor in Pu. If I can read from page 17, the Mapona Pitokipona community was chosen for this one project because at the time it was the social hub with the most linguistic vitality. So you could say that I follow the vitality of the language, and Mapona Pitokipona definitely stands out as, at the moment, as an important center. In terms of using the word quote unquote official, I do use the label official Tokipona for the books that I make, currently Pu and Pu, as my job as, I guess, the creator of Tokipona, to make books and to demarcate my works in some way. Now, whether by extension that means that a specific variety of Tokipona or any specific words can be called official, while that may be useful to some people, I think it's very debatable. And I think it makes more sense to describe different ways of using Tokipona the same way we would study and describe natural languages. Maybe.
Okay, yeah, okay, I see. And next question. Do you think that prescriptive grammar of Tokipona exists?
The closest thing, in my view, and this is just like I use the word poka in Tokipona, it's like adjacent to that concept, is Tokipona, the language of good, Pu. But after you learn the fundamentals in 19 lessons, even this book invites you on page 62 to be creative.
Okay, okay. Okay, is it finished? Okay.
Yeah.
Last question. Okay, this question is a little bit long. Okay, the official dictionary being published, so beginners have advantage to access into Tokipona more easily. Meanwhile, they just copy and paste the words that they wanted to express without any attempt about how to construct words. Even the frequencies are written so they can just pick one which has highest frequency. For the reason, I believe that Tokipona can't be avoided being lexicalized. I wonder what you think about the change of Tokipona, the future of this language as the Mamapi Tokipona.
Yeah, I mean, this is a problem in all languages. If I'm a confused beginner, I can pick up an English-Korean dictionary and translate an English sentence word for word without knowing or respecting the grammar. The result is, of course, very bad, and languages do not work this way. Also, Tokipona Dictionary Ku includes a clear warning about this on page 19. If I can quote, it says, also note that a dictionary doesn't always teach grammar. A dictionary points you to which words you might want to use, options, examples, but it doesn't teach you how to integrate them into a sentence. Often, the syntax and word order in Tokipona are very different from English. Like an obvious case of this is the particle la. The first official book, Tokipona, the Language of Good, Pu, teaches the fundamentals of Tokipona grammar. End quote.
All right, I believe that is it. Thank you, Jan Sonia, for answering these questions.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Yeah.